Are you struggling with the challenges of warehouse construction? Do delays, high costs, and safety concerns hinder your project success? Introducing our innovative warehouse steel structure erection contractors, designed to streamline your warehouse construction process. With a focus on efficiency and safety, we utilize cutting-edge techniques and experienced professionals to deliver high-quality results, ensuring your project stays on schedule and within budget. Our comprehensive approach includes everything from planning and design to final installation. We work closely with you to understand your unique requirements, providing tailored solutions that meet your needs. By choosing our expertise in warehouse steel structure erection contractors, you can rest assured that your warehouse will be strong, durable, and built to last. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.